Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the following equation and find all solutions of x. Let's start. For solving this problem, I'm going to use the following identity. If you have two numbers such that a squared plus 1 over a squared, then I can express it as a plus 1 over a to the power of 2 minus 2. Now, using this identity, I can rearrange the left-hand side of this equation. So therefore, this expression, according to this identity, will be as follows: 4 times x plus 1 over x to the power of 2 minus 2 and minus 4 times x plus 1 over x and minus 7 is equal to 0. And as we clearly see that we can set x plus 1 over x is equal to t. Now then this is going to be t squared and this is going to be t. So therefore our new equation will be as follows: 4 times t squared minus 2 minus 4 times t minus 7 is equal to 0. And the left hand side is equivalent to 4t squared minus 8 minus 4t minus 7 is equal to 0. And this equation is equivalent to 4t squared and minus 4t and minus 8 minus 7 give us minus 15 is equal to 0. And as you can see, we have a basic quadratic equation where we have to use discriminant to find the roots. And t1 and 2 is equal to 4 plus minus 16 plus 240 divided by 8, and which is equal to 4 plus minus, we see that square root of 256 give us simply 16 and divided by 8. And now t1 is equal to, if we take with plus, then 20 divided by 8, and which is equal to 5 over 2. And t2 is equal to, if we take with minus, then minus 12 divided by 8, and which is equal to minus 3 over 2. Then as you remember that x plus 1 over x was t, therefore we'll get two set of equations. So the first one is x plus 1 over x is equal to 5 over 2. And let's solve immediately. Here we have to first of all clear denominator, and by multiplying both sides by 2x we'll get 2x squared plus 2 is equal to 5x. And moving this 5x to the left hand side we'll get 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now again we have a basic quadratic equation, and we can use here discriminant. X1 and 2 is equal to 5 plus minus 25 minus 16 divided by 4, and which is equal to 5 plus minus, so here square root of 9, from that we'll get 3 and divided by 4. And here x1 is equal to, if we take with plus, then this is going to be 8 over 4 which is equal to 2, and x2 is equal to, so if we take with minus, then 2 over 4, and which is equal to 1 over 2. Now we have a first set of solutions where x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 1 over 2. And the second equation is x plus 1 over x is equal to, as you remember, it was minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2. And again here we have to first of all clear denominator, and by multiplying both sides by 2x we will get 2x squared plus 2 is equal to minus 3x. And here this is going to be equivalent to 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. And again we have a basic quadratic equation here, and by using discriminant we can easily find third and fourth roots. So therefore minus 3 plus minus, so here 9 minus, so 16 divided by 4, and which is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 7 divided by 4. And as you can see, square root of minus 7 is a complex number. Therefore, this is going to be equivalent to minus 3 plus minus square root of 7 times I divided by 4. And as we clearly see that we have a four set of solutions. So the first one is 2, the second one is 1 over 2, and the last two roots is these 2. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.